These structures are testaments to human ingenuity and engineering prowess, standing tall and proud as symbols of progress and innovation. But have you ever stopped to think about the tiny components that hold these incredible structures together? These small yet vital parts are often overlooked, yet they are the backbone of every grand design. I'm talking about the unsung heroes of engineering and construction: bolts, nuts, gaskets, and steel shapes. These components might seem insignificant at first glance, but they are the glue that holds everything in place. These seemingly insignificant pieces play a crucial role in ensuring the strength, safety, and reliability of countless projects. Without them, the integrity of these structures would be compromised, leading to potential failures and disasters. Think of them as the behind-the-scenes crew in a grand production. They may not be in the spotlight, but their contribution is indispensable. Just like a play cannot go on without its stagehands, our world cannot function without these tiny components. You might not see them taking center stage, but without them, the entire show would fall apart. Imagine a world where bolts and nuts didn't exist. Machinery would break down, buildings would collapse, and our daily lives would be filled with chaos. In this essay, we'll delve into the world of these essential components and discover how they contribute to the marvels of engineering that surround us. We'll explore their history, their development, and their critical role in modern construction and manufacturing. From the smallest bolt holding together a child's toy to the massive steel beam supporting a skyscraper, each component has a story to tell. These stories are filled with innovation, precision, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. Each component has a story to tell. The journey of a bolt, from its creation in a factory to its final destination in a structure, is a tale of engineering excellence and meticulous craftsmanship. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of fasteners and materials and learn to appreciate the importance of these unsung heroes. We'll meet the people who design and manufacture them, and we'll see firsthand how they are used in various applications and learn to appreciate the importance of these unsung heroes. By the end of this journey, you'll have a newfound respect for the little things that matter, and you'll understand why they are so crucial to our world. Let's start with the workhorse of fasteners, the bolt. Bolts are fundamental components in the world of construction and machinery. They are the unsung heroes that hold everything together, ensuring stability and strength in countless structures and devices. In simple terms, a bolt is a threaded fastener designed to hold objects together. But there's more to bolts than just their basic function. They are engineered to withstand various forces and conditions, making them indispensable in both everyday and specialized applications. They come in various shapes, sizes, and materials, each tailored for specific applications. From tiny bolts used in electronics to massive ones in bridge construction, the diversity is astounding. The choice of material, whether it's steel, titanium, or even plastic, depends on the requirements of the job, such as strength, corrosion resistance, or weight. One of the most common types is the hex head bolt. Its six-sided head makes it easy to grip with a wrench, making it ideal for general-purpose fastening. Hex head bolts are versatile and can be found in a wide range of applications, from home repairs to industrial machinery. The design of the hex head bolt allows for a high level of torque to be applied, ensuring a secure and tight fit. This makes them particularly useful in situations where a strong, reliable connection is crucial. Then you've got your socket head cap bolts, known for their smooth, rounded heads, often used in machinery and equipment where space is limited. These bolts are designed to be used with an Allen key, allowing for a clean and flush finish. Carriage bolts feature a domed head and a square section underneath, preventing them from turning when tightening. This makes them ideal for use in wood construction, where a smooth, finished appearance is desired. Eye bolts, with their distinctive loop at one end, provide a secure point for attaching ropes or cables. They are commonly used in lifting and rigging applications, where a strong and reliable attachment point is essential. Anchor bolts are used to connect heavy objects to concrete or masonry. These bolts are designed to provide a strong and stable connection, ensuring that structures remain secure even under heavy loads. While U-bolts, shaped like the letter U, are perfect for securing pipes or other round objects. They are commonly used in plumbing and automotive applications, where they provide a secure and stable connection. And let's not forget about stud bolts, threaded at both ends, often used in flanged connections. These bolts are designed to provide a strong and reliable connection, ensuring that flanges remain securely fastened. Each bolt type has a unique purpose, making them essential for countless applications, from assembling furniture to constructing aircraft. The world of bolts is vast and varied, with each type playing a crucial role in ensuring the stability and integrity of the structures and devices we rely on every day. Whether it's a simple home repair or a complex industrial project, bolts are the backbone that holds it all together. You can't talk about bolts without mentioning their trusty sidekick, the nut. Nuts are internal threading fasteners that work in conjunction with bolts to create a secure clamping force. Just like bolts, nuts also come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific applications. Hex nuts are the most common type, featuring a six-sided shape that provides a good grip for wrenches. Nylock nuts have a nylon insert that creates friction, preventing them from loosening due to vibration. Wing nuts, with their easy-to-grip wings, are ideal for hand-tightening applications. Lock nuts have special mechanisms to prevent loosening, while flange nuts have a wide base that distributes clamping force over a larger area. Coupling nuts are used to join two threaded rods together. The variety of nuts ensures a secure and reliable connection for any application, from holding together delicate electronics to securing massive structural components. Section 4. Gaskets keeping a tight seal. Now, let's talk about gaskets, the unsung heroes of sealing. These small yet crucial components are often overlooked, but they play a pivotal role in the functionality and safety of various systems. Gaskets are mechanical seals used to prevent leaks and maintain pressure between two or more surfaces. They ensure that fluids or gases do not escape from the joints where different parts meet, which is essential for the integrity of the system. They're essential in various industries, from plumbing and automotive to aerospace and manufacturing. In each of these fields, the reliability of gaskets can mean the difference between smooth operation and catastrophic failure. Flat gaskets are the simplest type, often made from materials like rubber, fiber, or metal. These gaskets are typically used in low-pressure applications where the surfaces are flat and smooth. Spiral wound gaskets consist of a metal winding with a filler material, offering excellent resistance to pressure and temperature. These gaskets are ideal for high-pressure and high-temperature environments, such as in the oil and gas industry. Rubber gaskets, known for their flexibility and resistance to fluids, are commonly used in plumbing and automotive applications. Their ability to conform to irregular surfaces makes them highly effective in preventing leaks. PTFE gaskets, made from a slippery and chemically inert material, are ideal for applications involving corrosive substances. These gaskets are often used in chemical processing plants where aggressive chemicals are handled. Metal jacketed gaskets combine a metal outer layer with a soft filler material, providing strength and sealing capabilities. These gaskets are used in applications where both high strength and excellent sealing are required, such as in heat exchangers and boilers. By preventing leaks and maintaining pressure, these different gasket types play a vital role in ensuring the safe and efficient operation of countless systems. Whether it's in a car engine, a plumbing system, or an aircraft, gaskets are indispensable. They not only prevent costly leaks but also contribute to the overall safety and efficiency of the machinery. Understanding the different types of gaskets and their specific applications can help in selecting the right gasket for the job, ensuring long-term reliability and performance. Section 5. Steel shapes, the backbone of construction. Moving on from fasteners and seals, let's discuss the building blocks of large-scale structures, steel shapes. These prefabricated steel sections form the skeletal framework of buildings, bridges, and other infrastructure projects. Beams, with their I or H-shaped cross-sections, offer excellent load-bearing capacity, making them ideal for supporting roofs and floors. Channels, resembling a C-shape, provide good strength and are often used in framing and support systems. Angles, with their L-shape, offer reinforcement and are commonly used in corners and edges. Bars and plates, available in various thicknesses and sizes, serve as flat structural elements or as raw material for fabricating custom components. Pipes and tubes, with their hollow cylindrical shape, are essential for transporting fluids and gases. These versatile steel shapes are the backbone of modern construction, providing strength, durability, and design.